had a bit of an oops moment last week when Copilot started summarizing people's confidential emails. It was reading aloud from a diary. The AI dug into drafts and sent folders of emails, even messages with sensitive labels that were supposed to be hands-off. Now, Microsoft insists no one saw anything they weren't allowed to, which is kind of like saying the burglar only rearranged your furniture instead of stealing anything. Now, Microsoft pushed a global fix and blamed the whole thing on code issue because, of course, it was a human error that made the automation error of the AI.
Now, how much do you believe them on what the cause was, and more importantly, the effect? Like it really just rearranged furniture versus actually doing anything.
Well, that's experts are saying that the AI of the future still needs to have some kid-proof locks, and I would kind of agree with that too. That you know what, you got to be careful. Sure, it could have been code. And it could have been code that was written by AI. It could have been code that was written by a human. Doesn't really make any difference. If you're going to release something or put something out there, there's this whole thing about having a test environment, about testing things out before you put it live. And we're now moving into an industry.
Why do that? We can send it out to the public and see what all kind of chaos you can wreak.
That's what Grok does with its AI and a bunch of other people. But I guess now that maybe just become the standard. You know, Microsoft will do that. Soon we're just going to have everybody testing our own stuff.
Okay, so I'm a little confused about this. So it's rearranging my email, right?
Yeah.
Is it sending me messages or is it sending messages to other people?
Well, I just rearranged it for you, and then it was giving you highlights. So it was letting you know. So it didn't actually send it to anybody or do anything. But the idea that the AI is going into confidential